This review is of MET-Rx Big 100 Chocolate Chip Cookie Dough Meal Replacement Bar. I've never had this brand before. This is my first time actually coming across it. It's got 18 vitamins and minerals. Is there anything special? Well, it is gluten-free. Oh, it's got bioengineered food ingredients. Snap. That's not good. Let's see. What else? B12. Yay! It's got a bunch of good stuff in there. That's good. It also has, unfortunately, got palm oil, milk, eggs, soy, peanuts, tree nuts, almonds. It's got multiple sugar alcohols, maltitol and erythritol at least. And, alright, well, the bar's got 13 grams of fat, of which 5 are saturated, no trans fats, 30 milligrams of cholesterol, 140 milligrams of sodium, 45 grams of carbs, of which 1 is dietary fiber, 18 grams of sugar, of which 16 are added, 2 grams of sugar alcohol, and 30 grams of protein. Because, they're selling us on the idea that we have to have huge quantities of protein, when actually, no, we don't. And protein isolates, like this one contains, can actually potentially be bad for you. I have now got a heart condition because of a protein isolate, presumably in a beverage I used to drink for only a couple of months. Right. Let's give this a try. Now I see why they're called meal replacement bars. They're actually that big. Not that big, that big. So I guess they shrink over time, maybe. Or maybe they shrink like products tend to do when companies are trying to maintain a certain price, but they have to do something to maintain the quality, so they make it smaller. Or they sacrifice quality by using inferior product or ingredients, sacrificing health, which a lot of companies do anyways, but yeah. Interesting looking. Quite chewy. Texture is a bit coarse. The milk flavor is pretty strong. I'm not really enjoying this flavor. Chocolate chip cookie dough. I don't know why they're calling it chocolate chip cookie dough. It doesn't taste like chocolate chip cookie dough. Not to me anyways. It tastes... So, as far as it matching the stated flavor, I'm going to give it 4. There's too much protein and it's in an isolate form. It's not terribly noticeable. However, basing my score on just the flavor here, I'll give it a 6, but I'm fairly sure all you milk fanatics out there are going to think this tastes pretty good. But to me, it's just, So, off you to my viewers. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.